Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to allow camera access on WhatsApp on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to settings. After that, you must scroll down a little and here find WhatsApp. Scroll down and click WhatsApp. And here you must turn on this setting near camera. And that's all. This is a very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.